Hi guys and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you 10 useful keyboard shortcuts that you can use in Windows 11. As well, some of these shortcuts were available in other versions of Windows, but some of them are only available in Windows 11. So if you like these kinds of videos, don't forget to leave a like down below and also subscribe to the channel for more great content like this. So let's begin with the keyboard shortcuts for this video. This is a keyboard shortcut that you can encounter in Windows 11, but I'm not really sure that it is that useful for all of you. So it is the Windows key plus W. It will open up the widget section. If some of you use the widget section for organizing stuff, or for watching the news or the calendar stuff, you can press Windows plus W to access this really quickly, and this section in the left side of the screen will come up really easily. To take a screenshot of your screen in Windows 11, you just have to press Windows plus Shift plus S, and you will easily get the Snipping Tool app, where you can draw a shape in order to have a snippet out of your screen. And as you can see here, Snipping Tool Steep Copy to Clipboard. Click here to mark up or share the image. And after you click there, you can quickly resize it, or you can do other stuff. You can draw on it if you want, and then you can go to these 3 dots and then click on Save. And save it wherever you want. For example, desktop, and you will have it on your desktop. So you don't have to install any other third-party apps in Windows 11. You have this new Snipping Tool app, Windows Shift plus S, in order to easily take a screenshot if you want to access your clipboard history and see what you copy in your clipboard. You maybe have access to it because you forgot it. Just press the Windows key plus V and the clipboard will appear. Of course, you're gonna have to turn it on first, and then you're gonna see all the latest clipboard things that you copied here. And of course, you can clear all, you can click on them to copy them and stuff like that. So it's really useful if you are using a lot of texts. If you copy things around, don't forget the Windows key plus V to access the clipboard history. An interesting shortcut would be Windows plus H. You can use this to talk instead of typing. So for example, let's search and then press Windows plus H on our keyboard. And now, as you can see, Microsoft Speech Services, voice typing turns your voice into text with Microsoft's online speech technologies. Select the mic button to start using voice typing, so I'm just going to select it. So basically, after you click on this icon, you can easily speak, and the Microsoft service will start typing in while you're speaking at the same time. Also, you have this button where you can see a few settings that will help you in the future. If you're talking to someone and you want to have access to emojis really quickly, you can press the Windows key plus dot, and you will have this section where you can select the most used emojis. As you can see here, the laughing one, and so on and so forth. And you can also have access to GIFs, as you can see. If you go down, you can have also cow emojis, symbols, and stuff like that. So I think this is a really useful Windows key plus dot or period. The next keyboard shortcut. I'm sure that most of you know it already. If you have a lot of windows opened up and you want to have access to your desktop, just press Windows plus D and all the windows will be minimized to the taskbar, and you will be able to easily have access to your desktop files. Use Windows plus L to lock your screen, so no one can have access to it. So if you have a password or a PIN, you will need to enter it in order to connect again, or enter it again into your operating system. So I think that's really useful. Windows plus L and also Windows plus Tab allow you to switch between tabs or even desktops. That's really useful if you want to snap windows side by side. You can use the Windows key plus the right or left arrow too, as you can see, place it on the left side and up or down. If you want to place it in the corner, so the Windows key plus the right or left arrow, or up and down to place it. And the last keyboard shortcut for this video is Windows plus A, which will bring up this new Windows 11 screen. With the settings, you have the night light, the focus assist, the accessibility, the cast, and of course network setting. And so on and so forth. You can also customize them from here, so Windows plus A to quickly have access to these settings. So these were all the keyboard shortcuts for this video. I'm hoping that at least some of them will be useful to you. Let me know down below in the comments which of these you did know before watching this video. And of course, I can't wait to hear from you in the comments.